Good morning, my dear students. Today I would explain you about bookkeeping, accounting, and accountancy. However, many of us assume these three synonyms. Synonyms means of same meaning, but there are differences between them. I would explain you one by one. Number one is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is an art of recording business transactions or dealing in a set of books. Bookkeeping is nothing more than recording the business transactions. It is science and art both of recording correctly in the books of account all those transactions that result in transfer of money or money's worth. It records only the monetary aspects of the business. It is only concerned with keeping the record or maintenance of books of account. The main thing which we do in bookkeeping is number one, identify the transaction, and when we identify the transaction we should keep in mind that it should be of financial nature. We then measure the identified transaction in terms of money, how much worth it is. Then we record the transaction in the books of original entry and then classify them into ledger. That's all. The bookkeeping function is routine and it is a clerical in nature. Clerical in nature means anybody can do it. There is no need of some some knowledge of accounting or some knowledge of different concepts or rules or regulations, because it is very simple. It can be done by anyone. Bookkeeping means simply recording the business transaction in any of the ways you want. Whereas when we come to accounting, it starts only where the bookkeeping ends. It starts only where the bookkeeping ends. It means after recording and classifying them into ledger comes the bookkeeping. Bookkeeping means we summarize the classified transactions in different form, in the form of profit and loss account, in form of balance sheet. Then we analyze them, we analyze the result, we interpret the results, and whatever the information we get, we share it with our interested users. That is the most important part, communicating the information to the interested parties or interested users. Thus accountant work goes beyond that of a bookkeeper. Bookkeeper का काम तो सिर्फ यह है कि he has to record the business transactions and classify them into different ledgers, all the similar type of transactions to be recorded at a proper place. After that, the interpretation, the analysis, and getting the most important information or the most vital, crucial things out of the whole accounting is done in accounting. In accounting, we will derive profit and loss. We will come at a stage where we will find the net profit or loss of the firm. We will know the exact position of assets and liabilities, and then we will communicate this result to the interested user or parties, वो चाहे कोई भी हो, all those who are related to us. The third one is accountancy. What is accountancy? Accountancy is a systematic knowledge of accounting which is concerned with principles and techniques which are applied in accounting. It is scientific, that is to say it is that is why accounting is called science, because it is related to a systematic knowledge of accounting. Whatever we do in accounting is learned in accountancy. All the principles or the techniques or assumptions, conventions, it tells us how to prepare the book of account. One who has done accountancy, one who has learned all the concepts, conventions, principles, and all the rules and regulations, and read the systematic theoretical study, done the theoretical study of accounting, will be able to do proper and systematic accounting. And accountancy therefore refers to the entire body of theory and practice of accounting, entire body of theory and practice of accounting. Accountancy includes accounting, and accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. Accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. So these three are not synonyms, They are different from each other. In the next class, I will tell you the difference between bookkeeping and accounting and the difference between accounting and accountancy. Thank you. God bless all of you.